Imagine if you had access to 157 million distressed property leads nationwide that were absolutely free. I'm talking about unlimited free searches and unlimited free property downloads. Well, that is now a reality. If you don't know me, my name is Jerry Norton. I've been a full-time real estate investor and industry leader for almost 20 years, and I am so excited to announce a brand new data software for real estate investors and professionals called Propwire that is completely disrupting the real estate data industry. After investing millions of dollars of my own money in data and software development, Propwire is now released to the public. And like I said, Propwire is absolutely free. Not a free trial, but unrestricted free access to over 150 million nationwide searches and property downloads at your fingertips 24 hours a day for free. No more expensive lists, no more paid subscriptions, no more pay-per-lead services, just free data from the largest nationwide database. So if you're a wholesaler in Detroit looking for vacant houses, Propwire has them. If you're a rehabber in Phoenix looking for bank-owned REOs, Propwire has you covered. If you're an agent in Los Angeles looking for listing leads, look no further. If you're involved in real estate in any way, as a lender, landlord, or other professional, Propwire has the data to power your real estate business by providing you the best nationwide off-market leads, including vacant houses, pre-foreclosures, absentee owners, REOs, auctions, high equity, inherited houses, tired landlords, and more. Plus, custom filters and stacked lists so you can laser target the most motivated sellers in your area. And with the Save Search feature, you get notified by email or text when new leads hit your market. So you'll always have the newest leads before your competition. Unlike other paid data providers, Propwire's database is updated every single day, so you get new leads in your inbox every morning. These leads are brand new, which means they haven't been exhausted by other investors, giving you a competitive advantage. Plus, Propwire has cash buyers and private lenders nationwide, so you can also wholesale your deals or fund your rehab projects. But that's not all. Propwire also has distressed on-market properties with property details, photos, and agent contact info. Using over 100 different motivated seller keyword indicators, such as fixer-upper or handyman special, Propwire instantly gives you a list of all of the discounted houses for sale in your market. These are properties you can acquire to wholesale, flip, or keep as rentals. With the push of a button, Propwire saves you countless hours combing through on-market listings, searching for good deals. Propwire even has expired listings, which are normally only available with access to the MLS. With Propwire, just click Expired Listings, that's it. You can even find sellers who are interested in creative financing, such as subject to or seller financing with the creative financing filter. Now, if you've been paying for data, you know what a game changer this is, so you might be wondering, why would we give you unlimited nationwide data for free? Well, the answer is simple. I've been in the real estate game a long time, almost 20 years. When I started, data wasn't even available, and I've witnessed firsthand the advancements in technology, and I believe that free property data is the next move. It's the future. It's the next real estate industry to have a massive disruption. I remember when real estate education was disrupted. Not that long ago, people used to pay for real estate information. They bought books, tapes, CDs, and courses about how to invest in real estate. But now you can get all of that information for free on YouTube. In fact, I personally spearheaded this movement and was one of the first to start giving away all of my best tips and strategies and education that I used to sell for free on YouTube before other experts and trainers, which completely disrupted the real estate education industry. And just like paying for real estate information is dead, paying for property data is now dead too. The reason why this is possible and the reason why I've personally invested millions of dollars to buy the data just so that I can give it away for free is because over time, Propwire will offer add-on tools like skip tracing, direct mail, SMS, and other paid marketing and revenue generating services. But the data will always be free. It's the same business model that Zillow uses. Zillow lets you search MLS listings for free and then earns revenue by selling advertising services to real estate agents. And just like Zillow changed the game for retail buyers, Propwire is changing the game for investors, lenders, and agents, ushering in a new way of finding leads and deals. This new way is not software subscriptions, expensive lists, and pay-per-lead services like the old way, The new way is free software, free property searches, and unlimited free downloads. That's an unlimited number of leads for direct mail, unlimited leads for Facebook or Google ad campaigns, unlimited leads for ringless voicemail or SMS, and unlimited leads for cold calling. Just export your list from Propwire and do your thing. Again, that's unlimited searches and unlimited property downloads, absolutely free. So go to joinpropwire.com right now to set up your account and launch your first Propwire search for free, and I wish you much success in all you do.